up, guys? Welcome or welcome back. Today's lesson I'm going to show you how to play a pretty easy solo by Bon Jovi called Never Say Goodbye. So let's just jump right in. Okay, here's the 6 strings. Low E, A string, D string, G string, B string, and E string. Go take your 3rd finger, put it on the 4th fret of the A string. Then you put your 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, and then right below it, the 2nd fret of the G string. So you got these 3 notes. And then your 3rd finger on the 4th fret of the G string. Then take your 2nd finger, put it on the 3rd fret of the B string, and then the 1st finger, put it on the 2nd fret of the B string. So you have this. This is the first few notes. And then now you're going to bend up a whole note and then release it, pull off. And then up to the 14th fret, half bend on the B string, and then it's a vibrato, a little bend on the 14th fret and the G string. So all together. That's the first part. Second part, 1st finger on the 3rd fret on the A string, and then 3rd fret on the D string. So it sounds like this. And then slide, 3rd fret, 3rd fret, then 5th fret on the D string, pick it, and then slide. Same thing from the 5th fret, 7th fret, pick it, and then slide. So those 2 together. Go to the 16th fret and do almost exactly the same thing you did on the 4th fret. 16 on the A string, and 14 on the D, and 14 on the G string, 16 on the G string. And then 15 and 14 on the B string. Then bend up on the G string to that note. Release, pull off. Then this note, 17th fret, bend up and hold it. So you got it. Hold it, and then bring it down. Then to the 21st fret on the E string, bend. It's only a half bend. The 17th fret. Sounds like so that all together right here. I'll play up to that part slow. So the last part is just hammer on and pull-ups. So the first one, 13th fret to the 15th fret, hammer on pull-up 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then go up to the B string. Do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 15 and 17. Do it twice. And up twice. Then down 2 more times. Then just hit cut. So it's all together. And that's Never Say Goodbye guitar solo. Hope you enjoy. If so, like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get notified for any more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.